Have you ever heard somebody say, I'm a perfectionist? Well, that comment to me is so telling, because when you are in the realm of thinking you must be perfect, it has to be perfect. To me, it triggers the thought process of stifled growth. Because when you are striving for perfection, usually you're living in this area of life where you're preparing to prepare, to execute. And it's a far longer journey and slower progress, and ultimately a tap out, really. You kind of give up because you never hit perfection, because that's bullshit. There is no perfect in life. There is no perfect person. There is no perfect product. That's why we are constantly updating our phones and our software. We're always learning new things of how to improve upon what was made and done. And so I really wanted to get this out there and talk about progress versus perfection. So progress literally is this, right? I'm walking, I'm making progress. Ezra, just come with me. I'm walking. This is progress. I'm taking inches right now. Versus perfection has me standing still and not moving. Because if I'm forced to say I can't do anything until it's perfect, I'm not going to do anything at all. Elon Musk said, comparison is the thief of joy. Turns out Teddy Roosevelt actually said that. And it's so true. I talk about social media and building your personal brand on there. In our industry, we are always watching others. We are always looking at others. And either you stand in this category where it's fuel to keep you going, inspiration to keep reaching because it's possible. It's that borrowed belief. Or you stand in this category of, oh my God, it looks so perfect. And so your growth has been stifled. You almost give up. You surrender in a bad way. You kind of just say, I'm waving the white flag. This isn't for me. They all have it down pat perfect, and I don't know how to do it. And I'm here to tell you, no one is perfect. There isn't a business out there that's perfect. There isn't a business out there without people, problems, process issues, whatever it may be. And the beauty is in the progress. That's the journey. So take your joy from that and keep going.